Hi, I'm Cal Major, and this year I'm going to be taking on the biggest paddleboarding adventure I've ever undertaken. One I've wanted to do for ages. I'm going to be paddling around Scotland, taking in its dramatic beauty, its incredible wildlife, and looking at our human connection to the ocean. It's a big year for Scotland this year. It's the year of coast and waters, and in November, Glasgow is going to be hosting COP26. Our ocean, locally and globally, plays a massively important role in our fight against climate change and in the biodiversity crisis. But out of sight and out of mind, oftentimes the importance of our ocean is overlooked. But not this year. I'm going to be bringing you the stories of incredible underwater ecosystems while I scuba dive and free dive in these amazing places. I'm going to be showing you the wildlife that we have in our local ocean, and also connecting with communities who have a particularly strong connection to our amazing ocean places.
Have a look underneath and see what's there. We've got some amazing waters and amazing species.
I'm also going to be fundraising for Seafall, which is a charity I've just set up to help reconnect more people to our blue spaces, for the mental health benefits that being there brings, and also to nurture more stewardships of our environment.
We are the Eligible Sea Savers!
I'm also going to be introducing people to our amazing ocean who've never had the opportunity to go there. It's the kids from inner cities who've never been to the beach, getting them in the water, helping them fall in love with these blue spaces so that they too are going to want to protect it. This summer, I'm going to be bringing you a unique and immersive delve into our ocean environments, into the threats they face and how we can be a part of those solutions, and into the importance of the ocean in all of our lives and how we can reconnect to it. So get involved, get in touch if you'd like to be a part of this, and I look forward to bringing you the ocean in all her glory.